If you're a fiction lover, raise your hand. Okay, non-fiction?
I came to this event with the idea to write a book. You can tell somebody with an idea, just write the book. But it's like, okay, once you write the book, what are you supposed to do next?
So I'm here to talk about indie publishing with traditional publishing.
You never knew that the stars were put in the heavens, because in you there was already stars on earth. And when God said, "Let there be light," he was also speaking of you. Bet you never knew.
And on this journey that you're embarking on, being a writer, being connected to the messages of the book that you want to write, and a knowingness that those messages are needed.
I didn't know what to do to get the thoughts out of my head and onto paper, and through the different workshops I was able to pick up some really vital tips on how to get started. So I'm thrilled that I was a part of it.
Today's event was absolutely fantastic. We had a packed house, we had 6 amazing speakers, 7 breakout sessions, and an amazing, fun group of people. Couldn't have asked for anything better.
You know, when you see these big authors, you're just like, my God, where do I even start, right? But like, it's like your story is like your impact. So just start creating some impact in some capacity. So it's very doable. So that's the takeaway for me.
The barrier to entry is quite minimal. I think Susan mentioned that. Now that we can do our own self-publishing on KDP or on Lulu or Ink of the Sparks, you can put your own books out there.
Keep shining your light. When you feel like your strength is wearing thin, stay hopeful and depend on your faith within. Allow patience and love to be your guard. These are the jewels you'll need when life gets hard. Keep shining your light through life's strains. Sometimes it has to rain to wash away the pain. After moments of sorrow, the sun will shine tomorrow. Sometimes you have to fall to learn how to stand strong and tall. You may not achieve everything your heart desires, but you can strive to live by the principles you admire. Don't waste time or run through life too fast. Savor each moment, because you never know which day may be your last. During the darkest moments in your life, keep shining your light, because that is when it's most bright.